This is how I plan to turn £50 into over £32,000. This little person right here is called Bella. She is my daughter. She's 7 years old and she is the main reason for me making this video. Right. Let's start by breaking down roughly what £50 a month is. It's a weekly Starbucks with a cake. It's the average mobile phone contract, and it's a lovely romantic thing. What does any of this have to do with Bella? As a father, it's one of the things I want to teach her, and that is compound interest, how she can accumulate wealth over time by just putting in a little bit of money. Technically, the video should be titled How to Turn £14,400 into over £32,000, but the YouTube algorithm doesn't work like that, and we're starting with 50. That's the main premise of this video. If you invest just £50 a month, that weekly Starbucks visit, the total amount that you would have invested is £14,400. But the interest that you would have earned is £17,655.79. Now, even Bella can work this out, and that's over double the amount you've invested just on the interest alone. All of the books you read on personal finance will tell you about this magical thing called compound interest. But what does it really mean? Basically, just interest on interest. Now, I want to break down how we got from £50 to over £32,000. We're going to base the market percentage increase at 6%. On average, it's about 8%, but to give us some leeway, we're going to do it at 6%. We're going to keep this going for 24 years. So monthly payments of £50 for 24 years, because that is when Bella will be 30. And then we're going to put in, as I said, £50 a month into an index fund. The best one I found is the Vanguard Life Strategy 80% fund. So check these out for yourself, do a little bit of research, and yeah, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I do not advocate any advice. I'm simply doing what I'm doing for me, and hopefully in the process teaching other people how they can do their research and how they can become aware about it. Don't do anything that I've said without doing your own research first or seeking financial advice if that is what you want to do. Disclaimer over. It's really as simple as that. So when it's really as simple as that. So when Bella's 30, she hopefully would have over £32,000 in a bank account, built the habit up, and sees the benefit of doing it. Just like I've hoped you have with this video, and I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you could consider subscribing down below just there, that would mean so much, and I really do appreciate it. If you've got any questions or you need any advice, go and seek it from a financial advisor, or if you just have any questions about my videos, then please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, and I hope you build the habit that I'm trying to instill into my daughter. Thank you.